right, so let's add in some more items here. So what we're going to do is we're going to add in a ring. And what this is going to do is that this is going to add in, well, basically a ring. So let's go ahead and let's add in a color. I'll make that equal to yellow. And then what we'll also do, we'll add in a yellow color here, and then we'll add in a position. And we'll make that equal to 0, 0, -3. Okay, and there you go. You can see that we have that here. Now, I do want to take a look at the wireframe right away. So let's do that. Let's wireframe is equal to true. And you'll see that, these are fairly complex. Anytime you add in curves, it's a little bit more complex. So just take a look at that there. There's two real items you need to look at. Is the radius. Actually, let's rotate this first. So rotation is equal to, and then let's say -90, right? And actually, let's make it at a different angle, -70, right? And then we'll just say 0, 0. Or we can say, 33 and 33. Okay, so we put them at a slightly different angle there. All right, so you can see we have like a nice ring. So you can change the radius inner, and I'll make that equal to 2, and maybe make that equal to 1.1, right? You can see that, if you make that equal to 0.3, it changes that inner radius, like so. Okay, so if you make it 0, basically 1, 0.5, and then we also, if you do 1.9, things start to disappear at 2, 1.1, 1.2, and then things completely disappear. So that's kind of interesting there. So if you want to do the radius inner, you can change it there. Also, radius, and then we also have outer. Okay, and then let's add in, if we add in 2, you can make that bigger. 3, 4, 1, 2. You can kind of see that, 0.6. And you might have to play around with it in order to make it work, right? So there you go. You can also change the segments here. So you can change segments. Phi is equal to, and it has 10 to default, so we can make it 20. And then if we add in the wireframe, we can see that. So let's do that right here. So now we have 20 segments, and then we can do segments theta, and then the theta length is 32, so we can maybe make that 64, and now you have a very detailed ring. All right, so there you go. And as you can see, this actually, we almost have like a basketball game going here, but essentially this is what how you add in a ring. See you in the next tutorial.